always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me. Baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me. You and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby, you and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness, give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Hey there chat, let's see where we were. So we were busy plumbing in OSPF, right?
Intel engineers have been working on Mabu as a Virtio-based DMA buff driver for the Linux kernel. This driver is intended for their growing multi-GPU use cases and also in cases of GPU virtualization where wanting to transfer contents seamlessly to the host for display purposes.
She has
Today's
to show
stream
off.
is brought to you by our sponsor, NordVPN. Protect your privacy from prying
Here we
eyes
go
with
again.
military-grade encryption. Buy
Okay.
NordVPN today using the promo code in the description down below for 55 off 1-year subscription.
Where were we, chat? We were going to check if our configure is actually working, right? I managed to fix the bug with the name, so that's not throwing an exception anymore. Let us check what happens now. Let's check our bird.conf file and see if we've got OSPF stuff in here. I've got one OSPF function, that's probably not enough. Oh wait, we got OSPF tables, that's a good sign. It's not really related to OSPF, and we got the OSPF protocol. Now, do we have our shit in here that we were looking for? No we don't. It's empty. Fuck. And why is it under BGP? That's probably not good. What the fuck is even going on here? Look at this. BGP. Okay, well, I suppose we can pretty much classify OSPF output as being fucked at the moment. Okay. Let's start at the very beginning then. We've got OSPF protocol there, right? What do we have here then? We don't have anything. How the fuck is it outputting BGP headers into the configuration? What the fuck? What the fuck? This is OSPF. What the fuck is even going on here? Okay, so something is definitely very wrong. Why is this red? Need annotation. Oh, we probably don't even need that anymore. OSPF areas. Now we have to, wait a minute, why does this say configure the BGP protocol? Configure the OSPF area. Actually configure the OSPF protocol area. Now where is BGP coming from? That's definitely the question. Maybe it is where we link the protocols, right? Nope, there's no BGP here.
Here we go. Here we go.
I don't see any BGP here at all. So where is BGP coming from? There's nothing here to do with BGP. The entire OSPF section is here. Doesn't make very much sense to me. Okay, let's search for
Hey Nigel,
BGP then.
I found this while searching the internet.
This just doesn't make any sense. How are we getting output BGP section headers for OSPF? There's OSPF protocol, right? Shouldn't, but this is for V4.
LibreOffice 7.1 has just been released as the latest version of this cross-platform, open-source Office suite that now carries community branding and promoting of enterprise variants as well.
This does not make any sense. BGP protocol, BGP protocol, BGP protocol. The pipes are in the wrong place. The areas are fucked completely. Absolutely completely. This entire configuration is completely fucked. I don't understand how that can be though. In our output over here, we loop with the areas and we add it after we've set the protocol up, right? Over here. For area and self areas items, self.conf add area. Okay, the area is over here. Conf.append. Hang on a second. Why is this add and why is this append? There must have been a reason for that. There must have been a reason for that. Add configuration to the output we're going to generate. This uses an order of 50, which is higher than add that defaults to 10. What does the order even mean? Add configuration to output we're going to generate. Why is it because this needs to be add? Is that the problem? No fucking idea. Let's try add. I don't know what the priorities are used for though. Used for something that was apparently important. Just give me a second, chat. Give me a second. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's check here. Everything here is add. Let's search for append. And see, oh, the tables are append though. What the fuck? What do we have for BGP? When we create a peer, right? Is this append or is this add? This is all append, but these are add. The fuck? Does that? Oh wait. It is all add. It is all add. Aha. Aha. These appends are something else. It's appending to tables and everything, but it's adding everywhere else. Okay, so maybe that was the issue then. Maybe
I use Linux as my operating system. I state proudly to the unkempt, bearded man. He swivels around in his desk chair with a devilish gleam in his eyes, ready to mansplain with extreme precision. Actually, he says with a grin, Linux is just the kernel.
Okay.
You use GNU Linux. I don't miss a beat and reply with a smirk. I use Alpine, a distro that doesn't include the GNU core utils, or any other GNU code. It's Linux, but it's not GNU Linux.
Interesting.
The smile quickly drops from the man's face. His body begins convulsing and he foams at the mouth and drops to the floor with a sickly thud. As he writhes around he screams, "It was compiled with GCC, that means it's still GNU coolly." I reply, if Windows was compiled with GCC, would that make it GNU? I interrupt his response with, and work is being made on the kernel to make it more compiler agnostic. Even you were correct, you won't be for long. With a sickly wheeze, the last of the man's life is ejected from his body. He lies on the floor, cold and limp. I've woman-splained him to death.
We must pull the protocols in here somewhere. Is it section protocols, right? I honestly don't understand how this is happening. This is like completely impossible. It's exactly the same as the other protocols we have, but it's acting differently. Tiago, what is this app going to do? It's a BIRD Internet Routing Daemon configuration tool.
The open source Vulkan driver in Mesa for Broadcom graphics, most notably used by the Raspberry Pi 4 and newer, continues maturing nicely.
Aha. How were the areas added before though? Because this is going to add areas for V4 and V6. That's probably not what we want to do. Let's check our previous tests to see what it looked like before we started to fuck with it. We should have the output. Shit, we don't have the BIRD output, do we? Oh shit. Oh shit, we don't know what it looked like before. Well, that's probably not good. That's probably not good at all. Fuck. You know something, we might actually have to check the history to see how we output these. I don't know if we need one or oh my god, now I have to fucking log in. Hang on a second. Let's just bypass logging in for now. Let's see how we output that in the past. I'm pretty sure we don't need two sections for it. Pretty sure it was only in one section. Then I might be wrong. Add area. Add interface. Area config. Area config didn't do anything with the IP version, did it? No, there's nothing here to do with the IP version. So that just looped through the areas and output the interfaces, right? And then the protocol and the filters, or actually just the protocol, is V4 and V6. Okay, so what we did is we added the area oh shit, but this is V4 and V6. This is V4 and V6 though. But it's within the block. You see that? There's the closing brace, there's the opening brace. So that's probably what the problem is then. But this is also in the block. Fuck, man. But it's not being output into the block, is it? Right? OSPF v3. It's not being, oh, it is being output into the block. There's the area there now. Okay, so add worked. We got the area being, we got too many areas being output into the block all over the fucking place. But it still says BGP protocol, which is definitely not right. So how on earth? That must be when we add the area. So something in area is then wrong. Something in area must be wrong, chat. I don't understand how it can be wrong though. It doesn't make sense to be adding the interface here. And where's the protocol name coming from? What does that even mean? There's no protocol name here at all, and yet it's saying it's BGP. How is that remotely possible? What the fuck? Section base is all the way down here somewhere. All the way down somewhere here. That's not got BGP in it.
Fuck you and your notifications every time I start looking through my 100 tabs trying to figure out which one it was.
Shame, mate. I honestly don't know what the fuck is going on here, chat. I don't see BGP anywhere at all. Can it be pulling it in from the attributes somehow? Nope, there's no BGP in the attributes. There's no BGP in area attributes. There's no BGP in OSPF attributes. It's not going to be in the functions. That's all automated being pulled up above it. It just doesn't make sense how this is even possible. We're adding an OSPF and unless, of course, no. Unless, of course, it can't be because of this configuration block here, can it? Don't think so. The protocols are all being set up okay. Why is this fixed areas interfaces? I don't even know what that's for. So add area creates area object, right? You know what I think is happening? We're rendering the area before the interfaces are added. That might be what's happening here. How do we add the area's configuration? We add area with the configuration and then we add the interface to the area. But that only does the init. That's not doing the actual output of shit, is it? Yeah, that's just the init portion. Right? If we check config BGP and peers, is this a deferred? Hang on a second. Config peers peer. Go through all the peer items. Is this adding it as a deferred object? Adds the peer to the BGP object. Hang on a second. BGP object add peer. Is BGP deferred? Because if it's deferred, it would wait for the interface to get loaded before it generates a configuration, right? Is BGP? Nope, I don't see anything deferring the configuration here. Oh my dear fucking god, why does this happen? Okay, tables are append for some odd reason. Functions are append for some odd reason. Adding of objects is add for some odd reason. Adding of peers is add for some odd reason. And when we add the peer, nothing here is deferred either. We do have a section name that's being added, which is even more confusing because we are getting BGP section names output in the OSPF configuration. Are they still being output in the OSPF configuration? Yeah, there's fucking BGP all the way over here. I mean, the area...
I'm going to run rmrf / someone told me it is used to make me faster.
This just does not make any sense. We got BGP, we got fucking area, we got area. I honestly don't fucking understand what's going on here. This is just not possible to have happening. It's just not possible, man. I must be missing something here. Underscore and area is correct. Can we just go fucking print area name? Let's just see what this looks like. It's an OSPF area, but why is there two of them? Is that for V4 and V6? Yeah. Well, that is okay. But there's definitely something wrong then up top here. The functions are deferred. That's perfectly normal. Right. Where's add area coming from? Oh wait, add area is called from somewhere else. It adds the area here. We should then have the... Oh, hang on a second. No. No. Why is this? But that's correct, right? No sense. No sense. No sense at all here. And why does IPv4 only have one BGP protocol and IPv6 has got two BGP protocols? And why is our our filters, I suppose that they can be far down here, right? Let's keep that open. The interface looks correct as well though. But it's not getting interfaces, that's the thing. So if we do a print here, whatever, interface name, interface, do an F string. Nothing's getting output, which means we don't have interfaces. Well. That is interesting. That is very interesting. Why don't we have interfaces then? This is the area, right? How do we add an interface? Over here, it creates an object and it adds the interface. And then we pass it on to configure that does a loop of interfaces.items, which should be working because it's initialized here. Area interfaces, which is a dictionary string of OSPF area interface. And interfaces is over here, return self._interfaces. So I guess the adding of the interfaces is not working then. That's one problem. Aha, do you know why? I think it's this. No, that's just checking if it's a Boolean or dictionary. Let us check if we do a if we do something like this over here, right? It's not adding any interfaces. Do we even have interfaces in our configuration? Yep, we got ETH0. But it's a list. It's not a dictionary or a Boolean. Aha. Aha. Is that what the problem is? Nope. Because we check it. So how is that even working then? It doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense at all. Oh. Interesting. Hang on, we have to have interfaces in area config, so we can remove this. That's done up top here. Maybe that had a spelling mistake. That had a spelling mistake in it.
Why do wizards clean their teeth 3 times a day?
Why?
To prevent bat breath.
Oh my god. What was wrong with that then? Oh, you know what we are? Chat, I found the problem. I found the problem. I found the problem. This is called area config, and so is this called area config. That's what the problem is. We're blanking it. That's definitely where the problem is coming in. This should be raw area config, maybe. Raw area config, area config, raw area config, raw config, area config, area config, raw area config. Okay, that looks a little bit better. And that's why it says it has an unsupported value, because we don't support an empty list as a argument type thing over here. We could add true. Okay, that's looking a bit better now, a little bit better. And then line 110 is return interface attributes. Protocol OSPF area interface object has no attribute interface attributes. But you do, mate. Oh no, you don't. This should be interface attributes, right? That should fix that. Okay. Let's see where we are here now. That can probably get removed. It still doesn't solve our problem about why it says it's BGP protocol and not OSPF though. Okay, we got our filters. Excuse me. We've got our protocol, we've got our area, which has got fucking BGP headers, which is not right. And we've got our interface here that's being defined. So we're almost there, chat, we're almost there. We just need to figure out why we've got fucking BGP protocol and BGP protocol here. Whoops. That's the only problem we need to sort out. Now, how the fuck is that even possible? There's like nothing called BGP in this file. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Nothing. Ooh. And nothing here really. Blank the BGP peer state. Blank the OSPF area interface state. This does not make sense unless I'm pretty sure we don't have a name in base, right? Doesn't make sense. It gets it from the title. So there's a fucking title block. Maybe that's why. Do we? Well, it's not possible we have a title block, is it? Nope. There's no title block here at all. What if we... I don't fucking know, man. It's adding it when it adds an object. It's adding it when it adds an object. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe it's adding it when it adds the object. Where's our configuration generator? I think it's section base, right? Not in protocol base, it's over here. So this is the lovely wonderful shit where it actually checks what it is, and there should be, there's a title over here which is a section it's coming from. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. This does not make sense at all. Just does not make sense at all. It's running configure here though, and it's extending the lines, which means it must be running this. Can we do something like print? I should probably stop adding fucking prints everywhere. We're gonna have fucking 20,000 things to try and find when we're done with this. Okay, let us rather do it this way. Let us add a fix me first. In print name self dot title section. Why are we getting BGP protocol as a section name, chat?
Hey chat, did you know? The amount of computer memory required to run WordPerfect for Win95 is 8 times the amount needed aboard the space shuttle.
Okay, so the section name is somehow getting set to BGP. How is that even remotely possible? How is that even remotely possible?
Ha ha ha, text to speech goes burr.
Yeah, man. Where did you get that from, chat? That's weird. Text to speech goes burr, Kendra. It still says that self.section is a fucking BGP protocol. How is that even fucking possible? The fuck? It's section protocol. Oh, wait a minute. Section protocol base. Aha. Is this what the problem is? What is this? I think peer is a protocol as well. Yeah, hang on a second. Do we have the wrong class here? It's section base config. that is section base. Doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. I like your stream title, Stream. Yeah, man. Best title ever. Chat, I just honestly don't understand how the fuck this is happening. How are we getting BGP protocol being output for an OSPF object? It does not make sense. What happens if we were to just set this to section config base?
Please forgive him, he doesn't know how to spell.
Yeah. I don't know how to spell chat. Is it called section config base? What the fuck did we call this? Section, oh, base config, okay. Let's just check here. Let's just check here. Base config. Yeah, she's always mean. We can't use section based config because we need to pull in all of the attributes and shit for this specific section. So that's not going to work. But even though it just doesn't make sense that we are rendering the BGP protocol and not probably nothing, right? What do we set this to? We don't even set this. What does the BGP peer look like then? I mean, if that's fucked, that's perfect. Nope, BGP peer has got a fucking peer section. Where does that even come from? Give me a second, chat. Give me a second. Give me just a second.
I just found something interesting. Arnold Schoenberg suffered from triskaidekaphobia, the fear of the number 13. He died at 13 minutes from midnight on Friday the 13th.
Just give me a second, I got a client asking for stuff again. So I said it would be a short stream. Just give me a moment. Just give me a short second. Probably not going to be too short. Let me just quickly answer these guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. Client said can't fucking figure out their own issues. Say, oh, my internet has a problem. Meanwhile, the graphs do not show any problem whatsoever. Always keep graphs for everything. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Just hit this guy with a fucking 2x4. Figure out where I saved my fucking screenshot. Oh my god. Where did I fucking save my screenshot now, chat? I'll be with you guys shortly. Just give me a moment. Give me a moment. Okay. Let me just hit this dude over the head. We graph absolutely everything. Every single metric you can ever dream of, we got on our graphs. So you can very easily see if there's ever any sort of an issue. So when some idiot comes fucking whining about internet access, you can just point your finger at them and say, hey dude, not our fucking problem, mate.
Hey Nigel, we have a new follower. Thank you for following Nenis92.
Give me a moment. Hey there, Linus92, how's it going, mate? Thanks a lot for the follow, mate. Greatly appreciate it.
In the
Thanks,
White
man.
House, there are 13,092 knives, forks and spoons.
Wait, what? Why are you searching the White House, Kendra? Give me a moment, chat. Just need one last email here to a client that seems to have forgotten their details. Let me just tell one of my staff how to do that. What on earth? What on earth is this client even after? Makes no sense. I'll have to sort it out some other time, not now. They can wait. They will have to wait. Just give me a moment. Okay, so where were we? Where were we, chat? We were trying to figure out where BGP is coming from, weren't we? Right. I think we can start clearing this up though. Okay, well, somehow we're getting OSPF bleeding in, BGP bleeding into OSPF, which is just not even remotely possible. Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense how that's happening. We can probably remove these as well. Start deleting stuff. Probably don't need interfaces down here, right? Where's OSPF area interfaces coming from? Oh, over here. Okay. Probably remove that then. We can probably even move those into typing. Right. That's why we've got a typing file here, so we don't have circular dependencies. Protocol OSPF area. Oh shit, where's that coming from? That should probably be coming from this typing file. Okay, so that needs to then import that one. From dot interface dot typing import. What? It would be from dot interface dot typing, right? What the fuck? What the fuck? Is that right? That's weird. Very odd things are happening here. This is the file that we're in. What the fuck is even going on here? Is it maybe not interface? No, it's definitely not. I don't even know anymore. And why are we not getting protocol OSPF area interface? Oh, because it's not in there. It's in here. Oh shit, that's going to be a circular dependency then. I guess then the reason why these were split is to prevent that circular dependency from happening, and that's why these two were then inside of here. Okay, I guess it makes more sense.
I just found something interesting.
Moving
the main
things around
library
here.
at Indiana University sinks over an inch every year because when it was built, engineers failed to take into account the weight of all the books that would occupy the building.
Anyway. Still doesn't make any sense why we're getting our title set to BGP though. Unless that's coming from somewhere like way down here. Is that even possible? All of these just add the sections and everything. They're not doing anything funny or special. It literally makes no sense. And there we just add OSPF, and OSPF is a protocol, right? Let's just check this one last time. OSPF is section protocol base. The section is set to fucking OSPF. What is a section set to for the base class though? What is that section set to? Aha! That's our problem, chat. That's our problem. We can't assign that to a string. That's going to be a globally referenced variable. That's what the problem is. There we go. That should fix it. That should fix it. Now, where do we have that bang that we added? Where did we add the bang? Over here. Okay. BiRD.conf. Okay. There we go. Here's our OSPF section now. Why is it so big? We don't actually have an OSPF section here, do we? It starts here. That's weird. And there's our area interface, all perfectly configured now, except this. This is not right. I don't know why there's fucking so many of them here. There's fucking 2 fucking area sections and interfaces all over the place. We're gonna have to fix that. But why is OSPF not going into its own section? No, that's a good question. Where is OSPF over here? Oh my god, and it's got the right shit as well for it. Don't we need to output the title? Maybe that's what we need. Yes, yes, yes. Or not. Or not. Nope, it should be automatic. It should be automatic, and it should say OSPF protocol. Which it's not really doing. Nope, there's no title being outputted at all. What the fuck, hey? Makes no sense. Makes no sense at all. So the second problem that we have is somewhere over here. We're getting duplicate outputs of areas and stuff. How can that even be? There must be another variable somewhere that is overwriting something. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Why it's adding it more than once is odd. It can't be this, right? Why is that looping with it twice though? You know why it's adding it twice, chat? It's adding it in 2 sections. That's why. Fuck. This is being rendered twice. Oh shit, I never thought about that. I never thought about that. Give me a second. Okay. It's being rendered twice. So how do we prevent a configuration block from being rendered twice then? We probably need to duplicate our base class object thingamabob over here. Section base config. Section base. What if we call it section base? It doesn't have to be a protocol. What does a protocol look like? This is a protocol base. Oh, it has to be protocol based because we've got all the fucking globals and shit inside of it. That's why. Can we make another one of these? And why is this called? That's where the BGP is coming from. That's where BGP is coming from. Aha. That needs to be deleted. And it needs to be added into here. Okay, well, we find where BGP is coming from. There's BGP protocol. And this automatically somehow sets itself to BGP peer. Somehow. Okay, well, we found something.
Chat, do you know I'm a very clever bot?
Oh god. Now it's not being output at all. There's the peer. There's a peer. It's now not outputting the BGP section header. Oh, that is very weird. Why would that be? You know why? This is blanking it. Okay. Ah. Well, that makes a lot of sense. Because we changed it, right? Unless we initialize that somewhere else. Unless we set the section over here. Right. And we can do that for OSPF then as well. Hey there, Fiblock, how's it going, mate? Or Fiblock? Hey there, Tex, Final, how's it going, man? Okay, and then this one over here would be set over here then, right? This will be OSPF protocol. Okay, so now we should get those two coming out, but we will still have our other problem with the duplicated sections. How many pieces of our code have actually got that? Oh, fuck me. A lot. Okay, well, that's not good. That's not good at all. Let's move that out of there. And rather put it down here. After the initialization, right? Okay. Let's do kernel. Right. Oh my god, there's quite a couple of them. Jesus. Oh shit. This section is dynamic already. This one's not. Oops. Honestly, after a good day yesterday, getting through the issue I had and blasting another one, I'm back to square one with something that I've been battling with for a couple of weeks, and it's totally doing my head in. I know how you feel, mate. What sort of problem do you have? I can remove any from this. We can remove section. Why did we have a section there as well? Oh, that's weird. So we fixed that. BGP. That is fine. BGP peer is fine. Device protocol is not fine. We can move you over here, mate. Okay. Fucking Postgres. No matter what I do, I can't get it to read from database in a Python script. Wait, what? That's weird. Let me see if I've got any code examples. I don't think I do, but who knows? Oops, it's PsychoPG, right?
Hey chat, did you know? The first automobile race ever seen in the United States was held in Chicago in 1895. The track ran from Chicago to Evanston, Illinois. The winner was J. Frank Duryea, whose average speed was 71.5 miles per hour.
What? Are you checking for errors on your connection? How much error handling do you have there, mate? Well, I would still make sure that it is, because it might be something very simple there. I would still add error handling, just to make sure that something isn't failing either on the right or something else. But it's pretty much exactly what it says. A transaction block has been aborted, probably because of an error. So there's probably an error happening before your select. Is your script literally those two lines? Or was there things in between? Tables. Can remove this. Put it over here. Set section header. Tables master. Can remove that. Put it over here. Set section header. Connection and 3 lines of code. I would definitely check for error handling on your connection. The error you're seeing there comes from a previous error, and it's more than likely somehow in your connection. Maybe it's a password or something that is incorrect or something else. You'll probably see it if you've added error handling into your connection equals. Main. This will be soft.section equals main. Add error handling, mate, to your connection block and to your query. You can probably add it everywhere. Add error handling. I don't know if PsychoPG supports connection error handling with exceptions, though. I might be wrong. Did I say section header or section? What did I say in the last one? Section header. Okay, so that's mastered and done. We've then got the main section, which I think we did. Router ID section we need to do. Set section header. It should be in the PsychoPG manual. Error handling with PsychoPG PostgreSQL adapter. Dun, 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 dun. Where's the connection error handling? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it is a try block, you're right. That's interesting. Oh.
I found a 10 GHz CPU on eBay and clicked buy now. I hope Nigel doesn't find out.
Yeah, but I mean, if it isn't raising an exception on the connect line, maybe you can paste bin your example, mate. Set section header, router ID, base. That's going to set it as blank, right? Okay. So if we rerun this now and we check that, we still don't have the main header though. Why the fuck is that then? Why don't we have the main block header? What the fuck? What is this called? Section main, section base. I don't know if section base even supports headers. Maybe that's the problem. Section base config. Section base, it does support headers. And it does support a section. So why is it not working then, mate? It should be above the time format. It's not there. Because this isn't in the init, that's why. That's why that is. We should have an init here, right? That's the problem there. This needs to import globals. B4 base. Needs to set the section name to main. Okay. How many other places did I fuck that up on? Is it just main? Logging? Logging as well. Oh my fuck. Oh my fuck. Gonna have to copy this and duplicate it everywhere. How did I not pick that up? Okay. I need to import this and here. Okay. Oh, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. Why is logging coming before main though? No fucking idea. Let's just copy this then and check out functions. This needs it as well, right? So we need to set that over here as self.section. And remove that. And let's check logging out. What one of these things was different? Oh, that's fine. Logging. Functions. Constants. Okay, and then we've got tables, which is a section base as well. That's weird. What is the difference between section and section? Section base also has the globals, but it's just got the globals. It doesn't have the protocol information. Oh, is that the difference between them then? Yeah, that's got constants, functions, tables, and fucking everything. Is it working now? Well, there we go, mate. I fixed it. I'm just joking. Generally what happens, people ask me for things and they try it once more and it gets fixed. Just give me a second, just asking one of my staff to handle something for me. Okay, where were we? Let's just make sure all of these are... I mean, why did I even... We don't even have to fucking do that. We can just leave it as it was. Okay. Okay. Can we just run back on the entire thing? There we go. Awesome, mate, awesome. I wish you success in that. Why doesn't this have BirdPlan error? It says we don't need it yet, right? The interface, I'm still wondering what's the difference between section protocol and section. Oh, we said it was because of the extra fucking shit that we get passed during init, right? Okay, we now got I'm logging, we got main, we got root ID, we got global constants, we got BGP constants. Oh, this looks a lot better. Oh my god. Global functions. We should also have BGP functions though, which I don't see here. I see an OSPF function. Unless they're all added to functions. I can't recall if that's the case or not. Let's quickly check that out. Let's go down our fucking config file, like BGP functions.
This might be the best joke yet.
Protocol. Oh yes,
what
that's
do
the
I
problem.
look like?
What, Kendra?
A joke machine?
Oh my dear Jesus. Where did she even come up with that from? What the fuck? What the fuck? I don't even believe that. What do I look like, a joke machine? What the fuck, Kendra? How the fuck did you even do that? Let us grab one of the... How do we even initialize this fucking functions base? Where's that even coming from? Base protocol functions would be this over here, and it would have an init, right? Where we need to call super, and then we need to set the BGP functions for that section. Where's the globals even coming from? Oh my god. What globals are those? BirdConf globals. Maybe from globals, import. BirdConf globals? Oh, well, that fixed that. Why is this throwing an error? Argument missing for parameter functions. Oh, I suppose that is actually technically correct. I mean, we can just pass it functions, right? And then we can just set self dot section equals BGP functions, right? I think that should be fine. Okay. Let us then check our file again. Logging main root ID constants BGP. Why is BGP? Okay, BGP constants is under constants. We've then got global functions. We've now got BGP functions. Right. Where's our OSPF functions? Why is it in our global functions? Oh my god. Oh my god. We need a section for that as well. Okay, so we need to probably grep for underscore section str. Chat, I'm running out of time for today, man. I'm running out of time. It was going to be a short stream for today. I've got some more fucking shit that people want me to do this evening again. Okay, so this is going to be RIP functions. This should fix all of these problems now. So this is going to be from dot globals import BirdConf globals, and probably where does fucking section functions even come from? What the fuck does that even mean? Section functions comes from functions, it appears. Okay, so can we just modify functions in and say section functions? There we go, there we go. We're making a little bit of progress here. And then OSPF is going to have to be the same, so we can just fucking copy RIP for that. Let's just fucking copy this shit over here. Fuck it into this file over here. Hang on, that's protocols, that's not functions. Fuck it in here and call this OSPF. And then we need to probably suck in these three, right? Oh shit, that's not the right file again. Suck them in here. Okay. Well, I think that's good. Let's check what that looks like. Okay, we got logging, main, router ID, global constants, BGP constants, global functions, BGP functions. Where's our OSPF functions? Oh, we got OSPF functions there as well now. BGP functions. We then should have this is still BGP functions. There's like fucking 23 gazillion of them. We got routing tables. Direct tables, however, has got a space at the end of it. Why the fuck is that? Why the fuck does direct tables have a fucking space at the end? Where the fuck is that even?
I just found something interesting. Barbie's measurements, if she were life size, would be 39, 29, 33.
What does 39, 29, 33 mean, chat? And where was that thing that had the fucking thing at the end? Direct tables. What the fuck? Where is direct tables though? Oh, grep RI direct tables. BirdPlan. There it is. There it is. Now why is there a suffix on it? Oh, that's weird. Shouldn't that be a single equal sign where release ID equals and not two equals, mate? Or am I wrong? I suppose the suffix can stay there, fuck it. I don't really care about one space in a fucking 2000 line long file. Don't have to care about that too much. Master table, routing tables, master table, direct protocol, OSPF protocol. We still have our problem with it being rendered twice. BGP protocol, BGP peer, BGP peer. After the BGP protocol there should be a space or a extra line. Where is BGP? We need an extra line here, mate. Oh my dear Jesus. We need an extra line before we go on to the peers. Whoops, that's not an extra line, is it? Where the fuck is this even pulling the shit from? It will probably be self.fucking conf.add. Self.conf.add self.conf.add. Okay, let's just add that above here. Let's check what that looks like. Let's just make sure that that looks okay. Let's just see what that looks like over here. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, we're gonna have to fucking scroll all the way down here. Where's that peer gone? BGP protocol. Ah, that looks a lot better. Problem fixed. Okay. Some sort of a networking software. It's a BIRD Internet Routing Daemon configuration tool, mate. Over here. But I unfortunately have to be off, guys. I had a very short time today. Unfortunately, I got like 20,000 more things on my to-do list for work-related stuff at the moment. It's going to take fucking hours to get through all this shit this evening. But I probably have to call it here though. So tomorrow we're going to be fixing the rendering of our OSPF interfaces within areas that's being rendered twice for V4 and V6. We need to figure out how we're going to sort that out, because V4 has got an area and an interface which has got the same settings as V6, but each time we add it to the configuration of V4 and V6 it does a re-render of the output that it needs. So either we need to add a flag or something that we just exit out of configure, like if self.conf.lines, we then just return, which might actually fucking work, to be honest with you. Can we go if self.conf. I don't know if we can use lines though. I think lines is what is causing the rendering to happen. We probably need to use something else. Items. How do we even add shit? Oh my god, let me just quickly add this before I leave. We need to section config items, is that it? I think so, but I don't think we can pull items out of. Oh, we can. Okay, so we can maybe use items then. So if we go all the way back up to interfaces over here, instead of lines that'll cause rendering, we can just go items, return, don't re-render the configuration. This is called twice when we do IPv4 and IPv6. Protocols. I don't know. That should maybe actually even fix that. Yeah, fixed it perfectly. Okay, well that's fucking good, except areas is now fucking twice as well, which I suppose.
Users of various Intel Tiger Lake graphics and other Gen 12 graphics SKUs like the DG1 discrete graphics cards could soon be seeing a huge performance speed up with the open source Linux driver.
Okay, we'll call twice for V4 and V6. We can just move that into the area configuration as well. Okay. Here we go. And if we reran that then, and if we did an edit and we search for area, problem solved. We've now got our OSPF configuration happening as it should. Okay, well that's very good. That's very good. Anyway, chat, I have to call it for today. I'm hopefully going to catch you guys tomorrow. And hopefully around about 0800 UTC. I hope you enjoy your mornings, your afternoons, your evenings, and you have a great day. Stay safe, guys. Have a good one, man.